Yeah, good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. See here today in this video, we'll see how you can use DJI Osmo Pocket 3 for cooking vlog videos or cooking videos or recipes if you want to show. See here, this is the setup you need. The first basic thing is you need a tripod like this. This tripod is actually a LED light stand tripod, but I am using this for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. See here, while there is cooking happening, you can use this DJI Osmo Pocket 3 with this screw. Actually, I'll be just opening it and I'll show you how you can fit this. And this tripod is 11 inch and this is of metal, so you need to set up like this with the proper lighting. Okay, see, whatever if you want to show the cooking and explaining video, see here, see here, you can just show and explain the users about the recipe. The first thing is this tripod is around 1200 rupees. If you want the unboxing and the full details and the assembly video, just find the link in the description. I already posted one. See here, while recording you can adjust the angles of this. See here, this is the ball, right? So if at all if you want, see, this will just rotate like this. Okay, easily it will rotate, and even you can change the angle. Yeah, see here, now I change the angle from this position to this inclined position, because you can just loosen this up and you can adjust here, and you can make whichever angle you want. Anyway, you can use this what is this joystick type of control and make the camera movement changes. But still, if you want to do the cooking videos, and one more thing, this also has the mobile holder, so both at the same time you can use. See here, you can just use it in the uh, horizontal full length video, and you can also use for the shorts, whatever it may be. This tripod comes with this mobile holder and also the camera mount. Actually, in this area, this is primarily for the light stand, soft light stand. I'll be showing you that soft light stand only. So in this way you can make a proper cooking explainer videos, or what you can say, cooking vlogs. And one more thing I want to say is, this is 11 inch. Okay, you can just loosen this here and you can increase the height. See here, okay, you can increase and decrease the height. Not only this one, you can also do the unboxing videos. I'll show you that. And this is Berkner BE stainless steel cooking kadai, which I did the unboxing and full review video. Just check in the description. And this is the Pigeon 3-liter aluminum pressure cooker. Yeah, if you do have any other question, you can just ask in the comments. Anyway, I'll be attaching this product in the view products. Just check for the view products for full details of this, and for unboxing and other details, just check for the links in the description. Yeah, I'm going to show you how you can use this for unboxing videos. These are the products, and this product is the soft light, right? That is what I mentioned, right? I'll be showing you that one also. Yeah, this is the actual product. You can just screw it here, this light, and you can record the video. Yeah, see here, I just screw the light, right? So at the top, the lighting will be focusing on the subject area where you're doing the cooking, and here you can record the videos in the vertical or the horizontal way. And there are three options, right? You can change the light here: soft light, some warm light. Yeah, here you can adjust the modes. The only disadvantage is you can plug into a laptop, then you can give the power. So that is the only disadvantage. You can screw this in the horizontal way also. Means right now this is in this direction, right? You can use it in this horizontal direction also. In this way you can do some cooking explainer video, and you can decrease the height and adjust the height up to 11 inches. If you do have any other questions, you can just ask in the comments. If you want to know more details about this, just check in the description, and also in the view products I'll be tagging this product.